We are starting factorization. A given positive integer can always be expressed as the product of prime factors. For example, 30 can be written as 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. Each number 2, 3 and 5 is called a factor. So here there are 3 factors of 30. Now, what is meant by a factor of an algebraic expression? And how do we find the factors of an algebraic expression? Consider a monomial, say 5xy. This monomial can be expressed as the product of 2 or more monomials, as 5xy equals 1 into 5xy, or equals 5 into xy, or equals 5x into y, or equals 5y into x, or equals 5 into x into y. It follows from the above that the possible factors of 5xy are 1, 5xy, 5, xy, 5x, y, 5y, and x. All these are factors of 5xy. If an algebraic expression is written as the product of numbers or algebraic expressions, then each of these numbers and expressions are called the factors of the given algebraic expression. And the algebraic expression is called the product of these factors or expressions. So in that case, every factor of 5xy is a factor of 5xy. So in total, factorization is the process of writing a given algebraic expression as the product of 2 or more factors. For example, let's write all possible factors of 3x square y, which can be written as 1 into 3x square y, can also be written as 3 into x square y, can also be written as 3x into xy, can also be written as 3xy into x, can also be written as x squared into 3y, or y into 3x squared. So those possible factors of 3x square y are all these things that are shown here. 1, 3x square y, 3, x square y, 3x, xy, 3xy, x, x squared, 3y, y, and 3x squared. When 2 or more numbers are multiplied, each number is a factor of the product. A whole number greater than 1 whose only factors are 1 and itself is called a prime number, as we know it. A whole number greater than 1 that has more than 2 factors is called a composite number. We already know about this as well. A whole number expressed as the product of factors that are all prime numbers. Then the expression is called the prime factorization of the number. For example, 90 is equal to 2 into 45. The least prime factor of 90 is 2. Now, 45 can be written as 2 into 3 into 15. The least prime factor of 45 is 3. 15 again can be written as 3 into 5. So it can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. The least prime factor of 15 is 3. All of the factors in the last row are prime. Thus, the prime factorization of 90 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. A monomial is one when it is expressed as the product of prime numbers and variables, and no variable has an exponent greater than 1. So this is a brief introduction to factorization. In subsequent classes, we will build more on our understanding of factorization. Thank you.